Yo, what's going on? Welcome to Phuket Walk. This is your Phuket Walker, Alex, and we're on our way to grab some coffee. I wanted to come out a little bit earlier today, but obviously got busy and, well, not to lie, I was watching the Johnny Strides live stream. It was wonderful. So, yeah, I just kind of hung around. Lost track of time a little bit. But we're on our way, let's go. I didn't have enough time to set up my mic too. So we might feel a little bit of wind noise, but hey, natural ambience, yeah? Alright, let's go, guys. This is the first time I'm trying the Pocket 3 for a motorcycle ride. And I think it's going to do well, because I personally didn't like the quality of the X4. Maybe I didn't tweak it enough yet, but hey, my main is the Pocket 3. So, woo, okay. I'm going to enjoy that. A little bit tight squeeze there. You know what? I'll let the truck go this time. It seems to gonna. The chances are the truck's gonna win. Usually truck's a little better than that. Gives me a little bit more space. This guy probably wasn't paying a lot of attention. It's okay. Okay enough to squeeze by. All right, let's get going. Always adventure riding here, as you guys know. I'm gonna focus a little bit more on riding instead of too much commentary. Keep myself safe. Okay, I go through first, guys. Need to live. All right, thank you. Quite a bit of traffic, actually. We should be fine on a motorbike. Now, looking at the traffic, I don't think I want to go all the way down too far to Phuket town. So let's see how it goes. I might just drop by Phuket Marina. And why not? It's a nice place. And that coffee house I always wanted to visit. So maybe we'll just start off there. Let's see how it goes, because I know some people there always get good coffee there for free. Let's see what's up. Hey, as long as we get coffee, yeah. And I think, well, Phuket Marina is a good location, a good choice right now. It's got a nice view. Good place for a coffee. And good thing about, you know, being in the traffic jam is you guys get to see how we kind of squeeze through traffic. I'm not too crazy, man. You know, I wasn't born and raised here. I don't have that natural instinct, but I'm all right. Let's see if I can show you guys some local riding. And my trusty Honda Monkey is best for this. Yeah, it might be a little bit troublesome when we're in traffic, all that shifting and stuff, but yeah, I don't really mind it. I enjoy shifting. Especially at night times. When you're riding manual, it kind of keeps you awake, you know what I mean? You don't fall asleep and stuff. Alright, looks like I'm going to squeeze through too. A lot of motorbike. Here I go. This is my chance. Alright, more space. That's alright. It's not a big rush. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, guys. Yeah. That's normal. I'm just swiggling to kind of get balance. I wasn't really falling off this. So when you're going a bit slower, you kind of go left and right. Kind of keep balance a bit. Anyways, let's keep going. Zigzag behind me. I'm going actually at a pretty slow pace. I'm just taking my time. I'm not in a big hurry. guy's very nice. Let me go first. Thank you. Local drivers know, they're cool. Beautiful Saturday. It's about 10:30 right now. Nice weather. 27 degrees-ish. Nah, forget it. I could go. Whatever. This side looks a lot better. Let's go to this side. Thank you. Turn the next bus, I guess. Here we go, here we go. Thank you. Taxi gave me some way. Switch lanes, that guy came pretty fast. Alright, let's see if my chance now. Let's do it. I like my bike, yeah. I go easy on it. I don't want to tuck too hard on it. See, he was aware. I was aware he was there too. It's okay, I'll just follow this guy. I think it clears up a little bit up front. Looking good. Sorry, I'm burning the clutch a bit. I didn't ride for a while. Been really busy the past week. Didn't do a riding video. Just trying to sort out the network. Here I go again, right? But no, really, this week was just all about that. And once that's sorted out, I'm gonna feel a lot better about life. My live stream can go. See that an issue. All right. Okay. That's what I was saying. Why the traffic jam at this time? You know what, guys? Now that we're smooth sailing, let's go to Honda Clubhouse. Let's go to Phuket town. So we bought this monkey. I like that shop. Good atmosphere, nice coffee. You guys can't tell yet, I'm a big Phuket town fan. Today we went up earlier, well I did anyways, to do a video by the beach here. We're riding back down now. Get a coffee. I was gonna just go to Phuket Marina due to the traffic. It looks like smooth sailing from here. Let's do this. We're not too far away, 10 kilometers or so. Downshift. I'll let you go. If I push it, I still got some kick. But you know, the grab guys are like, they're professionals, right? I'm here to show everybody see. Well, we're gonna pass by Royal Phuket Marina right here. Let me think about it. Forget that. Let's do it. When there's an open road like that, you just want to ride on, yeah? I still love my monkey, man. It's been a good week or so since we've been out. Let's take her out for a spin. Riding around used to scare me to death. Just on a scooter. Once you get a hang of it, oh, you're gonna love it. The freedom. Just a different type of enjoyment, I guess. I love it. It's a nice, beautiful ride, this stretch all the way straight down to Phuket town. I should do actually I will do a night video riding down this stretch. I come up and down here quite often doing routes and doing walks. It's just one of the main paths aside from bypass over there. But I prefer this one. It's a lot more scenic. The bypass is more like a highway, you know what I mean? And actually the traffic flows pretty well here. Everybody's chilling. Uh-oh, shoulder's itchy. Isn't that the worst? Alright, let's pick up some speed. I'll get away. Okay, alright, I'm good. Oh geez, what's this guy broadcasting? Alright, let's go. Alright, let's not overdo it. Take it easy. But that's kind of how island rides are, yeah? Twisty turns, kind of squeezing by traffic. Just kind of enjoy the scene. Maybe that's why I didn't get a bigger bike. Actually, I'm looking for a bigger bike as well. I've been looking at the Legends, not that much bigger. You're talking about small back home, like 300cc, but or whatnot, maybe less than that. But the Legends look cool. I just like the way they look. They got that cafe racer style. That's what I'm into. We're looking at a few of them. But yeah, let's see how that goes. The channel goes well. Maybe I'll switch up a bike, or just keep this one. Get both. Different occasions, you know what I mean? The wind is nice and breezy. I like my classic bikes. Hey, old-fashioned kind of guy still. Wise men say only fools fall in love. I can't help such ride before, know what I'm feeling. Very relaxed type of vibe and freedom when you're riding on a motorbike. We're about 5 kilometers away. Once again, sorry about the wind noise. That absolutely natural ambience for sure. So if I have my mic, it'll sound a lot better, obviously. Especially if I'm commentating. I haven't done a real commentary ride, so sorry if it's not too good. But hopefully you guys just enjoy the island ride, island routes. Alright, I'm gonna pick up a little speed here. Been chilling behind these guys for a while. Maybe I'm just kinda also dying for a coffee. Alright, closer to town. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of traffic. All good, all good. I'm so lazy today. Usually I'll squeeze by. See, it shows the need for that coffee. Alright, let's get to the front. What am I doing? And we're on our way. Like he's shifting too much. Shifting way too fast, though. Never really ride alone here. There's always riders with you. Whether you like it or not. Nah, but there's routes you can pick, you know, that's beautiful. Beautiful scenic routes. We'll take some of those one day. Let's see. I haven't done a lot of more riding videos, and especially it's the first time with the DJI, like I said. I mentioned it. But I think it's going to do well. The DJI never fails me. It's a rock star in videos. Just a little bit short-handed when it comes to live stream. In terms of its original setup. Personally, I love the motorcycle sound. Even this little Honda Monkey, it's got its distinct little zip sound. I love it. Every motorcycle's got a distinct sound, yeah. Alright, let's get in front of this guy. Stay out of the way. How are we doing on the camera here? I don't really get to check it, and let's not. But yeah, we're about 2.5 kilometers away, so pretty close. It's great motivation getting coffee. I don't even feel the ride. I guess that's what happens when you don't get your morning cup yet. We ran out. We have a nice machine at home. We ran out of those little packets. But it's good, you know. It's always good to go to a cafe, get a nice real cup, enjoy the atmosphere. Because in Mira, this light is long, but like most lights on this island, it's ridiculously long. There's one by Central that's like, man, I don't even know. A couple of minutes or something. Else who don't know how to ride a motorcycle, I started out just the same, man. I have my fears. But you don't have to dive head in first, you know what I mean? Well, I kind of did anyway. But you know, you learn it, right? Get some lessons. Know what to do, what not to do, like I always say. A few simple things, key pointers go a long way. Like my first time falling, and probably the only time, is I locked up my own brakes. Right? Going all sorts of left and right, front brake, back brake crazies, which I didn't have to. So a little knowledge goes a long way, a little bit of practice, right? Once you get the hang of it, like what people tell you, like riding a bicycle, or maybe easier, honestly. It's a machine, yeah? Practice riding safe. I try to, and learn the local habits. Kind of know, and know what to expect. That's what I mean. And what people usually do, like the potholes that's here. See, I know about them, right? So I don't generally fall into them. But every now and then I do. But just kind of prepare, relax, and brace for it. I guess I hit enough potholes to be an expert at know how to hit one. But no, you get used to it, right? You don't hit them all day. Try not to. Anyways. This guy's gonna squeeze by himself now. Very close now, guys. A kilometer away or so. Yeah, the motorbike was coming at me. That's also normal here. They happen on both sides too, left and right. Just expect it, you're good. I had a comment from Carol, one of my subscribers. She was like, how do the lanes work? Well, from my experience driving and riding a motorbike, you're in your own lane all the time. Just try not to hit anything. Check blind spots every time. So yeah, that's a strategy. Just don't hit anything. There's probably somebody next to you, or somebody that's gonna zip by. So just take a look first. Like when I first started learning manual, oh man, I felt like starting all over again. I'm not really really good at it right now. I'm alright, but I'm butchering it a bit. I kind of DIY and taught myself, like most things. I actually taught myself how to, well, kind of, me and my friend, he took a lesson. Yeah, I'll show you after like one lesson. So we went out, we got an old car at the time. Anyways, we put that thing around at I still remember at the beaches area down by Lakeshore. Yeah, that's how I learned how to drive manual. And then riding manual was kind of the same thing. I mean, I just kind of translated it. Went to the parking lot, tried it out. It's really similar. Anybody can figure out, I think. If you can already drive manual on a car, yeah, this shouldn't trouble you at all. Alright, let's find parking. I like to park here. If there is. It looks like a spot there. Nice. Taking care.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright. Thanks for coming along, guys. And Honda Cup House is just down there. And we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm all set up now. Let's get us in there. Well, I was always going to take you guys in, don't worry. Sorry about the angle. We're on a bit of a mount here, so let's go in, grab ourselves a coffee. And let's see. I'm a bit late, but I think I'm gonna enjoy the coffee first, and let's see what I'm gonna do next. Go for a walk. We'll figure that one out. The coffee here costs a little bit more. I mean, you get the vibe, you get the ambience. It's the heart of Phuket town. Really can't complain, yeah? You know, I always go in this entrance. Let's go in the other one. I happen to always come that way, I guess. Alright, let's come to this one. Okay. Ice Americano.
Okay, I'll take away.
Put here.
90 baht.
Certainly. Come down.
Solid cold by 5%.
Lucky number 2. Lucky me, anyways. All right. Okay. And thanks for joining us for the motorbike ride. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna start something real soon here, so I'm excited for that. Anyways, see ya. We'll see you in the next one.